Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Niklix. So from today we are going to start a tutorial about JavaScript. I will tell you the step by step how to learn JavaScript, what are its concepts, and how you can learn. You can become a beginner, you can become a professional from a very beginner in a JavaScript. So starting with my first lecture, what we have to do in a JavaScript is like I'm writing a HTML head, title, body, and now if I have to write a JavaScript code, I have to write as script language JavaScript and type equals to text slash JavaScript. So this is basically, you can say it's a syntax that you have to write if you want to write a JavaScript code. So script language JavaScript that defines that it is a JavaScript code, and type text JavaScript means the script contains the text that belongs to JavaScript technology, right? So starting with my first video, what what I am going to tell you is that in this script tags you can write your JavaScript code. Like this is the comments. These are the comments. For using the single line comment, you have to use double forward slash, and if you want to go for a multi-line comment, then you have to use stat slash slash star star slash. So this is a multi-line comment, right? So now moving to the next part, if I have to write document dot write hello world. So I'm going to run this file, right click, open in browser. So my first file of JavaScript is ready, and document is a document. This is the document that the white screen you are seeing on your browser is a document dot write. Write is basically a function of JavaScript. Whatever you are going to write here in double quotes, the same thing will be displayed on your screen. Like if I am going to change here is as hi, this is the hello by JavaScript. So if I'm going to refresh this, then the same thing will be written on my screen. So this is the first video in which I have in which I have explained the simple concept of a JavaScript, like how you have to write any text on your screen. So like you can just subscribe my channel and be updated with me so that you can become a professional in JavaScript. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.